everybody, it's Nazar with Nazarasfinecrafts, and today I'm going to do a tutorial on post double crochet rib stitch. I am using an old Red Heart Super Saver. So it is acrylic, and it's let's see if I can read this old one. So I'm going to use a G or a 4.25 millimeter hook. If you like these kind of videos, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And for this, we need to go ahead and tie onto our hook. And then we're going to do this in even stitches, or even number stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So for this sample, I'm just going to do 14. And for the first part, we're going to double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, we're going to go through the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And then we're going to double crochet in each of the chains after. So yarn over, go through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. We're going to do this all the way over to the end. If you hear some noise, my husband just came in the door, so, and my little one will probably come back looking for me in just a minute. Mm-hmm. Alright, and then we're going to do in this last one. And then, so that's row 1. Make sure I'm centered up here. There we go. For row 2, we're going to chain 2. 1, 2. We're going to turn our work over. We're going to skip the first double crochet, and then we're going to front post. So this is the first double crochet, and then we're going to front post double crochet around the second one. So skip this one, we're going to this one. What we're going to do is we're going to yarn over, we're going to go between the 2 double crochets, behind the back of that second one, and up through the second and third one. We're going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. For the next one, we're going to yarn over, we're going to do a back post double crochet. So instead of going through the front, we're going to go around back and poke it through, go over the 3rd chain, and between the 3rd and the 4th. So, and then we're going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Sorry. For the next, we're going to yarn over, and we're going to do the front post again. So through the front, around the back, and back up through, double crochet. We're going to yarn over, and we're going to go through the back, and we're going to do this alternating all the way across. So go through the back, double crochet, the front, so we're going to go through the top, double crochet, we're going to go behind again, double crochet, we're going to go through the top, double crochet, back, front, back, and this will have us end with a front, or just around the very end one. So there's our front and back double crochet. So for the third row, and there is actually two different ways we can do this. So I'm going to show you this first way and then we'll go into the next one. So chain 2, turn our work, skip this first one, and then we can go in the front. This one gets it a little bit easier because you can tell if you make a mistake, because you're going to do exactly the same as what you were doing the first time, as far as front double crochet, back double crochet, because you can tell which ones are behind and which ones are forward. So front, back, do that again, back, front, back, front, back, and then just around the last one from the front. So there we go right there. We're going to go ahead and do one more row. So crochet 2, chain 2 I'm at, turn our work. We're going to do a front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, and from the front around that last post. So you see how it's building up these ribs? So the second kind is an alternating. So we're going to go chain 2, turn our work, and when you see a front stitch, you're actually going to come in from the back and pull it back. You're going to do the opposite. So this one's going to be from a front, this one's going to be from the back, front, back, front, front, back, front, back, just a second, you guys. Gotta separate Legos. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome, buddy. That one's a front, pulling that back one forward, and then we're going to go from the back on this last one, which is kind of tricky, but you can do it. So we're going to chain 2, turn our work. Alright, so you see this one's from the back, so we're going to start from the front with a front double crochet, front post double crochet. So front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, and this one's going to be from the front. Let's do one more so I can show you a good example of how both of these stitches turn out. So on this row, we're chaining 2, turning our work, and we're going to go from the back first. Front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, and then back again. Okay, so we did 3 rows of each. So you remember the first part was these nice little rib stitches where it was all even stitches, and this is more of an alternating rib stitch, so it kind of does almost a basket weave type, and you can even see the difference kind of in the thicknesses. This one's a lot thicker than this one because it's pulling it through. So this is the post double crochet rib, and then the alternating post double crochet rib. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below, and we'll see you next time. Bye.